Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essential prerequisites. Check your device model, Android version, and free storage so the installer can run. Next, grant install permissions or enable unknown sources for the app that will sideload the APK. Once done, download the official GameSpace APK that matches your Android API level. Mismatched builds cause the app not installed error. This prepares the device and installer so you can proceed without guessing which package will work. Now perform the complex middle steps. Uninstall any previous GameSpace variants and clear the package installer cache and settings. Leftover signatures often block installs. Use a reliable file manager to run the APK and pick Install as New App when offered. If the installer fails, verify the APK's package name and signature. Android rejects installs when the signature doesn't match an existing package. Once you resolve signature or package name conflicts, the installer should progress to completion. Finish by granting required runtime permissions and rebooting the device so services register properly. This often resolves residual install issues. If the app still won't install, try installing matching split APKs or use ADB with the command ADB install user 0 to bypass user-scoped conflicts. Make sure USB debugging is enabled so you can read ADB error output. If you get install failed duplicate permission or signature errors, ADB logs provide the exact cause and guide the corrective action quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.